Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bluehost and WordPress step by step. First, you will need to choose a Bluehost hosting plan that aligns with your website's requirements and budget. Next, select a memorable domain name that truly represents your brand or content. After providing your registration details, Bluehost conveniently installs WordPress for you, making the initial setup incredibly straightforward. This process typically takes only a few minutes to complete, getting you ready to build your site. Once your Bluehost account is set up and WordPress is installed, you will access your WordPress dashboard. This is your central control panel for everything on your website. On the left-hand side, you will find menus for managing posts, pages, media, and comments. You can also customize your site's look using themes and widgets and extend its functionality by installing from thousands of available plugins. Familiarizing yourself with this area is key to effective website management. Now, let's dive into creating content. WordPress allows you to create both static pages, like an About Us page, and dynamic blog posts for regular updates. You will use the powerful block editor to easily add text, images, videos, and other elements to your content. Remember to organize your posts with categories and tags to improve navigation and search engine optimization. Always preview your work carefully before hitting the Publish button to ensure everything looks perfect. Finally, it is time to customize your site and prepare for launch. Choose a responsive theme to guarantee your website looks fantastic on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Personalize your site's header, footer, and color scheme to match your brand. Install crucial plugins for security, performance, and search engine optimization to give your site the best start. After a final review of all your content and settings, you are ready to make your website live for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.